Hello everyone. So in today video we will discuss about the checks which is applied in axis system in queue checker environment. So how to go to this, how to apply checks in axis system. Okay, so first thing is you need to go norms and standard. Here you will find the elements, and here you will find the axis system. There are 5 checks available in a axis system which we can use in part level, product level and drawing level. Okay, so I will apply here. Now let's go one by one of the check. Allowed axis system position. Okay, so allowed axis system position. See, I will allow the axis system position x, y, z. Okay, save it. X coordinate, x is 0, y 0, z is 0. Okay. Okay, so now I will go to the queue checker environment, go to part design, and here I will hide the plane system and create the point in coordinate x0, y0, z0. Okay, create an axis, and if you go and validate the okay, if you go and validate the checks, it will allow the position because it has no what is this, it has no position. We are not we are in the x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. If we will create a point, I will create a point, let the distance 100. Okay, and go create another axis in that point. Okay, and want to run the check. You can see it is not allowed because we have given this axis system is not allowed. So we have given that axis system coordinate x0, y0, z0. Okay, so for that what we need to do, we need to delete this axis system. Okay, again if you create another point from this 200 and create another axis system, and again if you go to the queue checker, run the check, it will show 2 error, that axis system 2 and axis system 3 is not satisfying the check, that coordinate system x0, y0, z0 you can make not correct. Okay, now come to the second type of sketch, that is current axis system. Okay, so I will go to this. So see, now the current axis system, just save it. Okay, now the current, if you run this one, okay, there is no current axis system, there is no current axis system. Okay, this thing allowed axis system position, this 2 is showing error, but current axis system, there is no current axis system. If I will make current axis system, see, make as current axis system and run this one. Okay, we have, because I am not applying any check here. Okay, if I will apply check here, the current axis system is axis system 1. Okay, let axis system 1 is my current axis system. Okay, paste and change the current axis system. Okay, and run it. Run. You can see, sorry, before going to this you need to save this one and run the check, and you can see the current axis system is satisfied. Axis system 1 is my current axis system. Okay, if this is my current axis system, I will change to set as current axis system 2. System 2 is my current axis system, but in I need current axis system, so we have that function, healing function, automatic. This should be will be changed. Go to this healing function and you can see this current axis system has been changed. Okay, in this way we can identify the error, and with the help of a healing function is available for a current axis system, we can apply the axis system is active now. Okay, now comes to the third type of axis system, non-reference axis system active. So you can see here, if non-reference, see that reference is like x0 coordinate 0 0 0, that is my axis system. If it is not there, then it will show error, and we have the healing function, we can deactivate the axis system. So I will go to this, save it, and let this is my current. Okay, and run this. So you can see non-allowed position because it has x0 100 mm. Okay, here x 200 mm, so it will show you error. Current axis system, if you make it healing, if you apply a healing function, then it will go to the current axis system. But non-reference axis system, it is not my non-reference axis system. Okay, it is not the reference, because you can see here it is taking the point with respect to axis system 2, not taking this, not taking from the 1. So in this, what you need to do is run this, and you can see non-reference axis system. This is my non-reference, it will be deactivated. See, the axis system 3 is deactivated, and our current axis system, we have given axis system 1. So just to make it, you can see the axis system 1 is active. Now comes to the last axis system, non-standard axis system. So I will go drag and drop non-standard. Here allow the axis system orientation is right hand. Let I will put left hand and save it, save here, and here you can see, here it is right hand, here it is right hand, here it is, this third axis system is right hand. Okay, if I will apply, it will show you error. Non-reference axis system is axis system is active. Okay, current axis system this, and system position to be set. This will be error. Non-standard axis system, non-standard axis system, it is axis system 1, axis system 2, axis system 3. So these 3 are the non-standard axis system, non-standard axis system, because it has a left hand side. If I will change this to right hand side, then it will satisfy the condition. And go to the run the check, you can see here allow axis system position. This will show error because it is violating the condition. X is 200, here x is 100, and here is current axis system. Axis system 1 should be current axis system. Okay, now you can see non-standard, it is satisfied the condition because it has the right hand axis system orientation. So in this way we can apply checks in axis system and validate the condition. So I hope you got some knowledge on check in Q checker which is applied in an axis system. Thank you all.